Samsung users, stop scrolling. The One UI 8 update has officially landed, and if you own a Galaxy A36, A55, A35, Z Fold 5, or Flip 5, your phone is about to get a serious upgrade. But there's one thing you need to know before you update, so watch till the end. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I cover the latest Samsung updates, features, and hidden tricks. So if you want to stay ahead, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon. Samsung has officially begun the rollout of One UI 8 based on Android 16 for 5 popular devices. Here's what's happening. Galaxy A36 5G. The update started earlier and has now expanded to Europe. It'll continue rolling out to more regions soon, including the US. Galaxy A55 and A35. These two have just started receiving the update in South Korea. The global rollout is expected in early October, with a high chance of it starting on October 2nd. Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5. Samsung is also pushing the stable One UI 8 update to Fold and Flip 5 owners in South Korea. So if you have any of these devices, your update is either live or right around the corner. Now, some people think One UI 8 isn't a major update because of the leaks around 8.5, but that's not true. Here's why this update actually matters. It's built on Android 16. It improves overall speed, stability, and performance. The calendar and reminders apps have become way smarter, making task management effortless. Good Lock has been upgraded and is now available in more regions. Instead of redesigning everything like One UI 7, this update polishes and enhances your daily experience. Think of One UI 8 as the foundation for One UI 8.5, which will bring the big visual changes. Galaxy A36. Expanding now, Europe first, US coming soon. Galaxy A55 and A35, global rollout expected in early October. Fold 5 and Flip 5, live now in South Korea. If you don't see the update notification yet, don't worry. It may take a little time depending on your region and carrier. To check manually, just follow these steps. Go to Settings, Software Update, Download and Install. Make sure your phone has at least 50% battery. You take a backup to avoid any data loss. If the update is available, the download will start instantly. Before you go, I want to hear from you. Comment your phone model below, and I'll tell you when your One UI 8 update is expected in your region. Also, if you want the latest Samsung update news, hidden features, and tips before anyone else, hit subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications. More One UI 8 and 8.5 videos are on the way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.